Hello friends, good to be back again with you all. And in my earlier video I had shown you, if you remember, I had shown you this pickle, how to make this water mango pickle or tora shiri or tora shiro from Goa. Now I was wondering that why can't we make the Punjabi pickle on the same lines, using no oil, with the same benefits as this pickle had. So I said, okay, let's give it a try. And for this, now what I did was, I took the Punjabi pickle masala here, right? Added the same salt that I had used here, two, added the same jaggery that I had used here, three. Okay, now this Punjabi masala, I have grinded it to a coarse state, not to a fine powder state, but a coarse state. Okay, and I just mix it well here. Okay, and once I have mixed this and ensured that there are no lumps in it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water to it and make sure that and make a paste out of it. Okay, so I have put all the ingredients of a Punjabi masala in it. What you all can do is that you can add all the ingredients of the mango pickle as you all make it in your own city or in your own homes. Okay, so the idea is the same masala components, same masala ingredients, make it into a paste that is something like a dosa batter thickness paste, or running, it should be like a dosa batter, that sort of running state. Not very thick, not very thin. Look at this. This is how it is going to be. Okay. And this is still a little hard because I have to yet to add something else also in this. So this is one. Once I have finished with this and there are no lumps in it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 30 ml or so of vinegar in it. Okay, you can also add lemon juice to it, but I prefer to add vinegar because in Punjab lemon is sparingly used. We use more of vinegar. Okay, that's in the modern era, but in the Oriental era, yes, definitely we used to use lemon also. Okay, so after now this has been done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the mango, only the mango by the way, only the raw mango, and no chilies in this mango, please. Okay, so I'm going to add all the mango to this. Once I have added the mango, I'm going to make sure that this paste completely, I'll just show it to you also, that it completely wraps the mangoes. Okay, the mango slices, that is. Once it is done, I'm going to give it a little bit of rest so that the masala mix of the pickle thickens also a bit and the mango gets completely wrapped in it. Okay, so once it has been done, there it is friends, it's been done. So now what I'm going to do is nothing more than this, no oil. Okay, as I promised, no oil in this, again with the same health benefits as this. The same health benefits come here also, except now this, because of the masala, is going to be more favorable towards digestion. It will have more digestive elements in it. It's going to aid digestion, not ensure that no acidity is there, ensure that no bloating of the stomach is there, and so on. Okay, so I'm going to bottle this now. Once it is bottled, now you don't have to keep this particular pickle for a long time to gestate. This particular pickle, you can always keep it for just for 2 or 3 days, and you can start having this pickle, right? Because there is some liquid in this, because of the water, the vinegar, and the masala. So this is going to be you don't need to keep it for 1 week. You can start having this pickle immediately after a couple of days. Okay, I'm just shaking it up so that I can make some more space in this. So that's done. The space has been created, and again I carry on with this, with the immersing of the mango and the pickle masala. So that's about all. So how did you like this idea? Of course, I would like to know in the comments as to exactly how you like this version of the Punjabi masala. In fact, a fusion between Punjabi and the Gonis. So I would love to hear from all of you all. And well, I still have some space, and very little now. So these bits will also go in, I'm quite sure. And there we are. So completely done. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen and friends. Today, this is your Punjabi masala in Goni style, Punjabi pickle in masala in Goni style, and this is the pickle, is the Goni style pickle, okay, with the same health benefits, except that this masala, because of the masala being there, and it is a digestifier, it is going to aid digestion, it is going to aid is going to ensure that there is no bloating of stomach, no acidity, and so on. Health benefits remaining same. Iron and vitamin C here, iron and vitamin C here, and well, that's what these two pickles are like. Okay, so I would love to hear back from all of you all as to how you like the pickle. Do try it. Do try both of them. Then let me know. And till then, thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.